A protostellar wind is charged particles streaming away from the outer atmosphere of a protostar. A protosolar wind is charged particles streaming away from the outer atmosphere of the protosun. Let's take a look at this protostellar wind and protosolar wind. Here we're looking at an artist's sketch of a protostellar system. We can see the protostar in the center. It could also be the protosun, which is the stage the sun was in when it was forming. We see an accretion disk with protoplanets forming. The accreted material is slowly spiraling and dumping in on the protostar or the protosun. We really can't see the proto-objects in the center. They're enshrouded by the accretion disk. But we do see the heat leaking off of the protostar or the protosun. Now the solar wind is coming off the proto-object, so we would call this a proto-solar wind, or we would call it a proto-stellar wind. Solar if it's forming into the sun, stellar if it's forming into any star. These charged particles that are streaming out are known as our protosolar wind or our protostellar wind.